Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the speed up tricks on OPPO Reno15 FS. Okay, we can begin with developer options and a few things that we can change. So first, to get access into developer options, open up normal settings, then scroll down until you find about phone, then scroll down until you find the software, not the software version, but from here we need to go into version itself, and in here we need to tap on the version number until we see that we are a developer. In my case, also need to confirm by drawing my screen lock. Then go back, go into system and update, and find developer options. Now we need to keep scrolling until we find 4 specific options that we can adjust. So keep scrolling, they should be somewhere in here. Okay, we have window animation scale, transition animation scale, and the animator duration scale. As you take a look, all 3 of them are currently set on 1x, but to improve the speed and performance of our device, we can completely turn those features off, or at least select them on 0.5. Simply don't go higher than 1x because it will only slow your device. For me, a perfect balance between off and 1x is of course 0.5, so that's the value that I'm about to pick for 3 options. And now we can also change one thing. Keep scrolling until you find apps and background process limit. We can change from standard into at most 3 or at most 4. It's up to you. I'll select at most 3. Okay, that's all in developer options. Now we can go back. We can go to the upside until we find the battery, and if you want to have the highest performance and the best speed, you can select high performance mode, but you need to be aware that in this mode your battery consumption will be bigger, the battery will be drained faster, so you need to have that in mind. So this mode is, for example, the best for gaming. For now I'll stick to balanced, but if you want to have an extra speed, you can select high performance mode. Also the temperature will increase of your device. Okay, the next thing, and actually the easiest thing, is uninstalling the apps that you are not using, because they're only taking your storage space away, and that might be the problem why your device is running slowly. So to uninstall the app, simply find it on your home screen or in your app drawer, then hold on it and select uninstall icon. A really easy thing. That's what you can do with all of your apps that you are not using. Then it's worth to open up the phone manager, and sometimes we have possibility to click the optimize button, so it's always good to do it when we have possibility. Okay, and now our phone has been simply optimized. We can click on done, and down below we have other features. We can clean up the storage and clean some junk files, really worth doing, just like that, really easy thing. We also have the system boost, also worth clicking. Click on done when it's finished. And in here I'm wondering, is there something more that I want to show you? In certain apps also we have possibility to clear the cache. To do it, open up the settings, find the apps, app management, and for example in my case I think it will be available in the Chrome. So find the app, then go into data usage, not the data usage, my bad, maybe the storage, yeah, the storage usage, and down below we have possibility to clear the cache. It's simply worth doing. Don't click on clear data, click on clear storage. Don't click on clear data, click on clear cache. Don't worry, clearing cache won't delete any of your personal data or anything. Cache is basically also junk files that are simply stacked, and clearing them is completely okay. Also, during day-to-day use, there's a chance that you have a lot of apps opened in the background. In my case, currently I only have 2, but if you have a lot of apps, simply close the apps that you are not currently using, because they're only taking your RAM away, and that also might be the problem why your device is running slowly. If you are interested, you can also download some third-party cleaning apps from your Play Store. Simply open up the Play Store, type cleaning or cleaner, and you'll have a whole list of apps that you can download to help you organize the space on your phone. but it's up to you. And also remember that before downloading anything, it's always good to see the reviews about the app that you want to install. Okay, we can also perform a reboot from time to time of our device, because basically during that process our phone rests and the RAM gets freed up, and it's highly recommended to perform a reboot from time to time on every phone. To do it, first we need to launch the power menu, click power key and volume up, and now simply select the restart function. Then release your finger, your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again and it will be ready to use. And as a last resort method, we can perform a factory reset if anything doesn't work. You can try to perform that factory reset, but remember that all of your data will be erased from your device. But before resetting, you can always create a backup of your data. To factory reset the phone, open up the settings, scroll down a little until you find System and Update. Click on Backup and Reset. In here you can quickly create a backup of your data. Then click on Reset Phone, and we are interested in the last option, Erase All Data. You just need to click on that, and then wait a little bit. Enjoy your lock screen pattern to confirm, or your numbers. I don't know what type of the password you are using. If you don't have any password, you won't have that, so don't worry. Alright, now that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.